Handling notifications in Schoology is going to keep you informed and save your sanity. Here in our course that we're working in this week, at the top right, there's a notification section. Anything that you've checked, you will receive a notification for through your email. If everything is unchecked or empty, you're not going to get any notifications. We will be having some practices turning in assignments and whatnot here, so you might want to just keep things unchecked. In your other courses, though, you might want to receive notifications for what your students are doing or turning in, so you can customize that by course. If you want to handle things all in one fell swoop, click right under your name and go to Settings. There is a tab for Notifications, and then you can turn them all on, all off, whatever you want. But this is a nice way to keep things managed. Mobile is for people that have Schoology on their phone also, and you can adjust the notifications there. The notifications you cannot adjust are the little yellow circles with numbers that show up to let you know that someone's commented on something in one of your classes, or an email notification. Those will show up when you're in Schoology. All these other settings are just for the email notifications so that you can control your own inbox.